Hi, are you ready to generate and nurture leads through Kvcore? In this video, you'll learn what Kvcore is all about. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam, a licensed realtor with eXp Realty Brokerage in Toronto. And our channel is all about Toronto real estate investing, wealth mindset, marketing, and personal branding. And as a marketing strategist, notice there's a big need for marketing and branding and lead generation content for many real estate agents. And I will begin to share more content on these subjects in the future. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell to get updates on new content. And I wanted to start off today kind of walking you through what Kvcore is all about. So to start off, let's start off with my Kvcore website. So this is my website that I received pretty much an empty template when I got first started at eXp. And I'm able to customize this website in a number of ways. So the look and feel could be changed to match your brand. I changed, of course, your trade name and your images, as well as a banner. And I was able to add a logo here as well. And I added my social media links up here. And I also added a bio and created my agent profile on my website as well. And like I mentioned it to you before in my previous content, Kvcore really is an all-in-one tool. It is my website, CRM, lead gen tool. So I wanted to show you in the back end of what Kvcore looks like, how you edit your website, manage your leads, as well as your marketing and lead gen tools are. So now let's have a look at this back end. So what you're looking at right now is Kvcore and the back end. So I wanted to show you a couple of things. So on the left hand menu, as you can see, there's a number of things here, and it starts off with your CRM, then your MLS listing. It has access to marketing and lead gen tools, your website, as well as learning and training videos, which is super helpful. So I wanted to show you a quick, due to privacy reasons, I'm not going to be opening up the dashboard and showing you I don't wanted to show you some of my clients' personal information. So I've created a client a profile, which is myself, and I will show you what it looks like when you open up a client. In the dashboard, when you first arrive at your dashboard, my apologies, it's real-time update on your clients, what devices they're searching your properties on, the ability to contact them via email, text, call right there, and it tracks that conversation, and also any new leads that come in and that are generated when they came in as well, which is super. And also it tells you where they came in, so whether it was through an ad or manually added, etc. So here is an example of when you open up a client. I'm going to move my photo out of the way. So again, like I mentioned, you can call them directly from here, send them a text, so you can open this up. It directly connected to your phone, so when they reply back, you get a reply notification on your phone. You can send a voicemail through here as well, which is a separate program that I'll mention to you when we arrive there, which you have to pay for. And it gives you a summary of the type of properties that I've looked at, and gives you a summary of my search criteria. And this is what I love about Kvcore. And remember, you have a chance to keep an eye on the journey of your client and your conversations you've had with them. So keep in mind that when you're looking through this, you can see that the emails that I've sent them, you can see if they've opened it, what properties they viewed at, when they looked at it, again giving you a summary of the property. Oops, sorry about that, it closed it up there. So kind of like that. And I even sent out an email, a blast, an email marketing piece, which you can open up here. You can check that I opened it on such and such date. Again, this is the reason why these are so important, is this is a conversational piece to build our relationship with your client. Remember, this is a CRM, a client relationship management tool, and it's so integrated that you're able to take this to another level and keep that conversation going, and it kind of keeps everything in one place. And I wanted to point out another thing as well here is the hashtag. So you can categorize each of your portfolio, your client portfolio, under each hashtag. So when you're whether you're wanting to get in contact with them through running a campaign, you can, or searching them up. If you wanted to do get in contact with all of your buyers, and you can just search your buyers through that hashtag. So it's super helpful. I just want to make sure I'm not missing anything. Yeah, and then your contact option, you can of course add in their properties or information, a lender that you've assigned them to. Let's say you have a number of different mortgage agents and lawyers that you're working with. You can add them to it so you know who's working with whom. So it really is your online file of your client, which is super helpful. And remember, there is a Kvcore app as well. So make sure when you join EXP and you have access to Kvcore for free, it comes with your brokerage fee. Sorry about that, that's my little son. You could make sure you're in there every day, right? Getting to know your clients. So now going back to the dashboard. Again, I'm not going to click on the dashboard in CRM for privacy reason, because it holds some of my information. So I wanted to, with a smart CRM, what this tab does is that it has all of your leads in a list format, kind of like the listing you see here, and it kind of shows you if you've texted them, how many calls you've had, how many emails and video messages that you've done with them, etc. Kind of like a summary. The next one is listing. Listing shows you it's all the listings that are on MLS, so it's very integrated. You can text and email out a listing to a client or someone on your team, which is super awesome. You could also post it directly on social media. You can share one of your listing on social media, and you can promote any of these listings directly from here once you search them up using MLS ID or manually searching them through their address. You can property boost, etc. And we'll get to that in a moment. And the next one is marketing autopilot. So let's click on that. And alrighty, there you go. So the marketing autopilot, this is where you have the ability to do a number of things. Again, what I love about marketing autopilot, it gives you options to run smart campaigns, to integrate drip campaigns, to automate your business, to again, scaling your business from the beginning, to build a rapport with your client on another scale by sending them alerts. You can also set up mass emails like the one I showed you where I send out market reports, but there's a number of different things you can do by sending out emails, but this is integrated into Kvcore, so you can check if they've opened it. A little bit different than, again, like something like a email marketing campaign service or software like MailChimp, which you can also integrate into Kvcore, which is super awesome. And you can also do something like this, which is, again, it's an additional cost. You can have someone like a core concierge who's a real human following up with your lead, which is super helpful, especially if you're overextended. And then something like a core voicemail drop, which you can personalize a message dropped directly to your client's voicemail or inbox or potential lead. So you're able to get in touch with them regardless, even if they don't pick up the phone call, correct? The next one we're going to move into is lead engine. So lead engine, it has a number of different tools in here, and these are tools that you can use to bring in your leads into your database and to build your database. So here's something, I love this function, a landing page. I've used it to create a number of different landing page. Again, folks, when you're in Kvcore, first understand all the types of tools that are available, what you would like to start using and implementing for your business. It is so integral, it's so vital that these tools are integrated into your marketing plan and that you are testing them out and creating campaigns. And there's going to be, I'm going to be creating another video coming out next week around how to create landing pages. So stay tuned for that. And I wanted to show you that you can create a squeeze page. Let's say you wanted to do a custom list of homes under 800s in Toronto, which is be harder to find. But let's say condos under 700, and you wanted to send that out to your clients who are interested, or run an ad using that link. You can create a squeeze page. When they click on that and fill it out, again, you're building your CRM. and you can bulk client, import them so that you can use that to send out information. You could also have various different paid marketing services through here as well. So have a look at that. The next one I wanted to show you is the Web IDX. And this is, let's click that. And this is where the website that I showed you when you came in. So this is where you have an opportunity to edit and customize your website. This is the backend side where you can add testimonials, change your content, you add in bios and links, add in widgets. So again, if you've ever worked with a website before, this is all the tools that are available for you to edit your website. And I'm still learning all these tools to kind of enhance my website as well. And the next one I wanted to show you is the Marketplace. Marketplace has a, oh, my apologies, it clicked on. Yeah, so we're in Marketplace, and I love this. This is where you have access to various different ad opportunities and tactics that you can, it's super integrated that you can purchase that brings people directly to your CRM. I've done a number of different property boosts, which I will show you in another video how to do that, as well as Facebook ads through here, which is again very different than the type of Facebook ads you run through your native platform, and number of different integrated services available through here, like Make It Rain, as well as Constant Contact, as well as MailChimp and such as. And these are automated too with your social media. It's integrated. So please have a look at these and build them into your strategies. And the next one is my business analytics. And here's where I wanted to show you, kind of it shows you a summary of your pipeline. As of right now, you could see that I have total contacts of 224 as of right now. And it gives you a summary of my active leads. So these are people who've come in through my ads and who've responded to either my drip campaign, my text messages, or email, and I'm having a conversation with them. Quite not converted them into a client yet. And these 12 people are my client, people who I'm currently working with, whom I have not yet put under contract, but I'm either showing them properties, I'm potentially looking to list their property in the near future, and I've had those conversations with them. Either I've done a listing presentation with them, and there's a few of the people in here that I'm still quite yet to figure out the type of what their client need is. Some of them are going a bit slower, or they're looking to figure out their financing. So again, this is some of the clients that I'm working with. With our industry, it's not quite straightforward, right? You don't just get a client, close a deal the next day. There's a little process of working with them and figuring out what is it that they're looking for. And so far I've closed 2, and that's kind of really a breakdown of what is available through Kvcore on the back end. I encourage you to go have a look at this, as well as looking at some of the training videos as well. And last thing I wanted to mention is what I love about Kvcore is that, let's say you're having trouble and having some technology issues, or just something isn't working out for you from what you've seen in the training videos. Jump on here. There's a live call that you can jump in and get some help right away, who is able to assist and kind of guide you in the right direction. I appreciate you taking time to tune in and kind of get to learn Kvcore with me today. I appreciate it. Please keep an eye out for more content coming to my page with content around Kvcore and how to build your brand using various different marketing strategies. And if you're looking to join my group through eXp Realty Brokerage, please have a look for a link directly to my calendar where you can book a one-on-one with me, where I can show you all the awesome, cool information as well as resources you have available when you join through my team. And I wanted to mention that there is a robust social media course that you do get through joining Agent Wolfpack, as well as 4 private mastermind calls and so much more. Looking forward to having more content out there. So please subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.